welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are heading to see Miss Paulette, and we are delivering some groceries to her along with a wheelchair. As you can see, Marcel has it there in his hand, as well as some diapers and can't remember what that's called. When I remember, I'll say it. All right, so we are here to deliver these items to her. They were donated, and we want to say thanks to our anonymous donor. Our anonymous donor is located in the US, and she would have donated to us before. She would have donated some diapers to us, a lot of it, and so we are grateful to her for donating again. And she has sent this wheelchair, and she wants Miss Paulette to have it. Alright guys, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. And I also want to say thank you to the lady, not going to call her name, but our donor overseas would have given her instructions to deliver it to us, and she brought it to Spalding's for us. So I want to say thank you so much. Your effort is highly appreciated. All right, and so we are here. Hi, how are you? All right, for Miss Paulette. Okay. Hi, morning.
Good morning.
May I enter?
Oh, yeah.
Miss Paulette, how you do? Hi, how you do? I never know say you're still there.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to Gaza? Oh, we're looking for him to accompany us, so we can't find him. Can't get him on his phone, so we're driving around trying to. Oh, I'm not sure. Yeah, Miss Paulette.
Yes,
how you do? Where you do wash?
Yes, Miss Michelle.
Oh.
Yeah.
So how are you this morning?
Thank the Lord, Miss Michelle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There you are, Miss Michelle. Got to give God thanks.
Yes, man.
Oh, how about when we're going? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Win some. What's your face?
Win some.
Hi, win some. How you do? You alright?
I'm saying.
So, Miss Paulette.
Yes, Miss Michelle.
We are here this morning to deliver a couple of items.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
So you remember that you had asked for a wheelchair.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
Right, so we have an anonymous donor all the way in the US.
Oh, yeah.
Would have sent a chair.
Oh, yes, Miss
for
Michelle.
you.
Yes, and thank you very much.
Yes, man, you are more than welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Right, and we also, you can help me with this, please? Help me bring it in. Oh, so in addition to the wheelchair, Miss Paulette, we bring you some groceries.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
And we also bring you some pampers
yes,
for Winsome and some of the
yes, Miss
Marcel,
Michelle.
what is this called? I can't remember.
The pad.
The bed pads.
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Trying to remember from coming up there.
Oh, yes.
All right, so this is your wheelchair, Miss Paulette.
Oh, yes, thank you very much.
Right, so she did say, however, that the seat did not get to come.
Oh, yeah.
So when she's coming to Jamaica, which is in short order, she'll bring it to us. If you need it,
yes,
if you're sitting it and it's all right like this,
oh, yeah.
it's fine. But if you want it, you can let me know and I tell her.
You can bring it.
Can bring it?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that is yours?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can move around and do your washing.
Oh, yes, yes,
and
yes. Yeah.
So maybe you can sit in it and wash too,
Oh, yes,
sit down on the bucket.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
All right.
So these are your groceries.
Oh,
where you want me to put this groceries?
Son.
Okay, son. Here you go, sir. All right, and where do I put these? Put them in here, son?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Oh, yes, that's all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right, it looks like
That's just still Miss Michelle.
yes, man.
Yeah.
Right.
All right.
So how things otherwise?
All right.
All right.
I mean, I feel no pain also.
Yes.
I pressure my son, the pressure lick me down, but they are my son there. And him happy. Yes. Sometimes when they come here, pressure 195. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, nobody has check the pressure for you.
So nobody
yeah. You don't have no pressure machine. You can check it for you. Oh. But so you're on medication for it, don't
Oh,
Miss
yes.
Paulette?
Yes, Miss.
So when you did pressure lick you down, as I said, you never had take the medication.
No.
You have to take it, man.
Oh, yes.
So you never take it.
Yeah. Please, if you could have get some for me, Miss Michelle.
Most of them have, you know.
Oh, you don't have none?
No, I have none, no.
But me think you say when you don't have it, you go to the clinic and get some.
Yes, but me couldn't tell when me get. Me have the head of blood, the pill.
Oh.
Then, yes, next pill.
Oh.
Angel, come here. I go show me.
So at the clinic, they visit her when they're ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, some people from the clinic.
Oh, but like how she run out of medication now, you could go there and let them know and refill it for her.
Sit on here, Miss Michelle. No, them have pill. Look, them that nasty crop pressure tablet here too.
But pill in there, so you not take them, Miss Paulette?
Yes, me take them, Miss Michelle.
Oh.
Them one there,
Yes, me take them.
the circulation and stuff.
Yes, me take them.
So which one you say you don't have? The blood pressure one?
Yeah. Oh, sit some here, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Hold
Me
these.
take it since morning too.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have to take your your
medication. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, my son tell me to take it.
Yes, man, you have to take it.
Yes. Then take care of me, Miss Michelle. You have this one. But
Yes.
me have some mom. They no look after me. This one me boy.
Yes.
Yeah. Look after me good. They no left me, mom.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yes.
Yeah.
And my last son, this mom. Yeah. He used to work there, but he have sugar.
Your last son have
Man, he
diabetic?
yes, he have sugar. Yes, he used to
I
help me
think you
good.
had said it. Yes, you had said
Yes, he
it.
helped me good when he used to move around, you know. But yeah.
You have it bad?
So I'm coming on him right now and they're on him right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
They only know I get anything and get them come and get them what you get.
Yeah, so some things that he's not supposed to be eating, he might eat them.
No, it's too sweet.
You can monitor it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I never knew, I thought you left. Yeah.
Yeah. That's true, man. Yeah. And sometimes when they hear next door come, when they run, can't take me up. Put too much salt.
Oh. Okay.
After me this one day, Miss Michelle, me no feel me head again.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So that's a big one that we saw on the road that him cook when you're not here.
Yeah.
Okay.
But in salty pot.
Oh, so that you send up the pressure, Miss Paulette.
Yes, Miss Michelle.
So you have to go stop by salt. You don't want no salt in my house.
Oh, yes, yeah, all right.
No salt in my house.
Yes, bad.
Yeah, you can cook the food without you. If you're cooking yam and pumpkin and those things, you don't have to put any salt in
Oh,
there.
yes. You tell me, my son tell me, Miss Michelle. Yeah, that's all, man.
Yeah.
You know, report me, I tell them this. No. But me have one next one, when me work mine, come here, none at all, Miss Michelle.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Yes, man. This is one me I tell you, Miss Michelle, you look after me good,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah.
That's great.
That's all, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yes, Miss Michelle.
All right, Miss Paulette.
All right.
We don't want to keep it from your washing. You soon finish wash?
Yeah.
So who hang out for you when you're done?
My son.
Your son hang them out.
Oh, yes, Miss Michelle.
Okay.
And tell the donor them many thanks.
You can say it, they will hear you. Just say it.
Many thanks, please. Many thanks, Miss.
Yes.
To tell her next time again.
All right.
All right. Yes.
All right, Miss Paulette.
All right, Mom.
All right, so just have to say this again. Say special thank you to our donor.
Yes, thank
God bless you.
God bless you.
Yes.
Yes, my donor.
All right.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, to tell her next time again. All
Yes.
right, all right, yes.
Okay, all right. Well said. All right, so thanks to the donor overseas for the wheelchair, and thanks also to the lady who delivered it to Spalding's for us. God bless you guys immensely, and may your store basket never be empty. All right, so until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. Oh, and thank you to all our donors who have been sending us the Pampers. We would have picked up a number of them in Clarendon, and I don't want to say this lady's name either, but she knows herself. So thanks to you. May God continue to bless you, because what you have done, this is far-reaching, because we'll be able to distribute to more persons. All right, and these Pampers, they're very expensive to acquire out here. So thank you so much, and God bless you. All right, thanks also to persons who would have sent us barrels, with food so that we can distribute, because as a result, we're able also to bring some food to Miss Paulette this morning. All right, so thanks so much, and God bless you. All right, that's it for now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.